Earn more OEX by completing missions on the OEX app. Log into the app and click on missions. Apart from mission C, you need to complete every other mission you can see here in order to claim the OEX after every 8 hours. On the OpenX Long Testnet. So you can go ahead and click on missions. So we have mission E, mission X, mission T, mission L, mission Z. Okay, complete the missions to link your wallet for airdrop collection. Higher completion rates may increase initial receipt amounts and expedite batch entry times for collection. Right. So we go ahead and do mission E. Here you are going to provide the email that you use to sign up on Satoshi app, and then you choose your country. All right. So you go ahead and provide those details. So you input the email, then click on this country place, and then you choose the country. You can use the search bar there, okay? And then you click on submit. Right. So you're done, and it will give you an approximation of how much OEX you're going to be receiving on the Satoshi from the Satoshi app. It's not exact, but it's going to be something close. So you're done with mission E. Mission X is for you to input your Twitter username, yeah, your X username. So you go ahead to your Twitter platform and get your Twitter username. To get your Twitter username, you go to your Twitter profile, yeah, like right here by just clicking on your photo. You're going to see your Twitter username, which is right underneath your name. Okay, so then you will see it. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy it and then input it there on the mission. So after you get your username on X, you input it there and click on next. It's going to bring you to this point where you click on this message right here, and it's going to be copied. So text copied, that's you're clicking on this, and it will automatically copy the text for you. And then you go over to Twitter and post it. So you come over to Twitter and yeah, post it, paste, and then post. So after you're done posting, you come over here, this part, that's the post you just made. Okay, you click on that so that you can share, you can get the link. Okay, so you click on copy link. So the link is copied. Then you go back to the OEX app. Then you paste the link to the post. Yeah, so that is it. Then you click on check status. So you allow that to load. Everything is going to turn green to show that you're doing the correct thing. Right, so click on finish mission. So mission X is complete. Then we come over to mission T. Now this mission T will be you sending the following command to the this bot on Telegram. Okay, so you click on it to copy it, and then you would go to Telegram and submit this. So let's head over to Telegram. Some people are not on the OEX Telegram group, and right now it is filled up. So most people can't even get in now because it has reached its limit of 200,000 members. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description on how to use the bot. This is the original bot. Okay, so I'm going to help you do that so that you can link your address. Go ahead and click on this. It's going to launch the bot for you. Right, so you can go ahead and paste what you copied from the mission. Okay, so right here, this mission T, by clicking on this place, it's going to copy your wallet address for you, just the way it is right here. You click on it, so it's been copied. Then you go over to Telegram, and then you paste it here and send. So it says that you have binded the address. Okay, so please ensure you use the correct bot. The link is in the description. I got it from the official Telegram channel of the OpenX, so that you do not go and fall into the hands of malicious participants. Okay, so once you do that, you come back here, mission T. Yes, so you can see it says it has been done. All right, so we have completed mission T. Mission L, for us to actually complete mission L, we have to complete mission Z. It is mission Z that will give us access to mission L. Okay, so it is where you do the quiz, the KYC quiz. So you click on start. So you go ahead and answer these questions. Which user actions could potentially affect the price of a coin? I think each participant has a different set of questions, so you make sure you answer them correctly. Large scale buying or selling, posting influential messages on social media, participating in blockchain project governance, all of the above could potentially affect the price of a coin. I think it's all of the above. Where does blockchain security come from? The concept of the design is immutable and transparent nature. Bitcoin mining tokens on testnet. It comes from its immutable and transparent nature. What is DeFi? It's decentralized finance. What is Ethereum? A video game and open source. Yeah, this is it. Open source, blockchain based, decentralized. Yeah. Then, do tokens on a testnet have value? No, they do not. So I'll go ahead and submit. If I got my answers correct, it's going to say that I've completed the mission. But if I didn't get all my answers right, it will not submit. It will just remain like this, and I will keep pressing submit, and it will not work. So let's see if I passed my test. Yay, I passed! So if you're submitting and it's not working, then check your questions again. You didn't pass. You didn't put the correct answers. Maybe you missed an answer or so. So now this will give you access to your testnet USDT, 10 long testnet USDT, which you will use to do mission Z. So after I passed my mission Z task, I now have my 10 long testnet USDT. But actually, I noticed that after I clicked on my asset page here, I noticed that I was given 30 USDT. Yeah, 30. Initially, only 10 USDT was given, but now 30 USDT. To complete mission L, I now have enough USDT to do that. So without passing mission Z, you cannot be able to do mission L. So you can see that my USDT is showing color purple. That means I now have what I can use to swap. So I'll just go ahead, I'll go back. I need to swap some of it. So I'll go to hub, then I'll click on swap right here. Let's say 10. Allow it to load. Okay, so 10 USDT is going to give me 1.1 OEX. So you click on swap and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so once you notice, sometimes it will tell you success when the transaction is done, but other times it will just stop and then you will see a change in your balance. So you can see that from 30 USDT, it's now 19.9, and then the OEX is now showing a balance of 1.1. That means the swap worked. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next swap, which is to swap some USDT to AGI. Okay, so you go ahead and click on this place so that you can see the list of tokens that you can swap to. Okay, so I find agiex here. Yeah, this is it. So I click on it now, so I can swap USDT to AGI. Okay, so I can say 1 USDT, and let's see how much. Okay, so it's going to give me about 3. Okay, so I say swap. Okay, so it has worked. You can see that my balance has changed from 19 to 18.9, and then yeah, my AGI balance is now 3. So let's go back to the mission and see if the quantity of the coins suffice. Okay, so go back to mission, then you click on mission L. Okay, yeah, so you can see that everything is showing a tick to it. So I click on submit. Yes, so I am done with my mission L. So the next one is going to be mission C. Mission C was just recently added, so we're going to do that one as well. To complete mission C, you need to purchase some core from either OKX exchange or from Bybit. Then you come here into your wallet, switch the network to core mainnet, and then you deposit some of your core which you purchased from the exchange to this wallet.
After you do that, you go over to Hub, and then you swap some of the core that you purchased from core to com. So you switch the coin, yes, to com, and then you swap the amount of core that you would want to swap. You need at least 0.1 com to complete this task. So I'm swapping 0.5 core to com, and it has given me over 253 million com. Then you go over to the missions. You click on mission C. Yeah, so you can see that both my core and com are ticked. You click on submit, then you're done. So after you complete the missions, you come over here to Hub. By clicking on this place or clicking on this place, it will lead you here. Then click here. And after you click it, you'll receive your OEX tokens. And you can see the counter running down. So after 8 hours, you come back and claim some more. To see your OEX balance, you should click here. And you'll see both the approximate balance that you're supposed to receive from your Satoshi app, although it's just an approximation. When you click on this place, you'll see the explanation there that it's just an approximation. It's not the real reflection of what you're seeing from Satoshi app. But then on this spot right here, you'll see what you have received so far by claiming 8 hourly here on the OEX app. So that is it. If you have not completed your missions, make sure you do that.